If you want to free up storage on Realme Note 70T, first of all, we can open Settings, scroll down in Settings in order to find the storage option. And then in here, as you can see at the bottom, we have free up space. So we can tap over here in order to find a summary in the phone manager of everything that can be removed from the storage. We can also tap over here on view details in order to find what we can get rid of. So for example, you can get rid of cache files, installation packages if you have them, and some other stuff probably as well. Of course, you can decide if you actually want to get rid of these things just by tapping on these boxes. And once you're all ready, you can press clear over here at the bottom of the screen. Besides that, we also have app cleanup section. So if certain apps gather some files that can be easily removed, then of course you will have a summary over here and you can decide if you want to get rid of them. There's also deep cleanup options, so you can, for example, go through photos in order to get rid of, well, these are, of course, suggestions. You don't have to really listen to them and remove all these files that you have over here, but you might get some useful suggestions of what can be removed from all of these files that you have stored on your smartphone. There's also large files and duplicate files as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.